Hi guys, good evening. Because over to you, we'll start the sessions. We are live on YouTube now.
Okay, so good morning, everyone, and welcome to this course session AZ 104. And voice is not coming. What about others, guys? Are you able to hear me properly?
Guys,
Yeah,
connect your mic. Everything is
good,
fine from
good,
our side.
good morning.
Good morning, I can hear you.
Okay,
Yeah, this is Elijah.
okay, great. So, so I'll tell you about this introduction first. Introduction from my end, then course introduction, and then we will start the first session for today, starting for day one. So I'm a trainer for this course, and myself Vikas Kumar, and last name is Kumar, and I have 18 years experience into Microsoft and security domain, and I'm a certified trainer from last 15. So it's a typo mistake. 15 16 years from 2006 onwards, and I teach AZ 104, AZ 500, security, AZ 700, and Office 365 and security courses to worldwide customer. And I'm certified on all these tracks. So this will be a complete hands-on course and started with day one, and we cover entire 11 modules. So give me short introduction about this course. This course is very important in my opinion. Anyone who is working on any role in IT industry and moving towards cloud, any role, security, Azure admin. So this is one of the real critical role to grow in IT industry. Surviving is a key skill, is a first factor. So before something goes wrong from a job perspective, we should be ready with the skill. And in my opinion, this is, you can search anywhere, any words. And one of the best demanding job oriented course for 104. And welcome to this course. I already explained my introduction. So every day, today is the first day. So we'll do a 1 hour session. But rest of the time, every day we'll do it 2 hours, 2.5 hours, or 2 hours approximate. And prerequisites. As per Microsoft, you should know basics of servers, basics of TCP, IP address, basic things. But if you're not aware, still it's fine. You work on any role in IT industry, network admin, Cisco admin, Juniper admin, Windows admin. Not audio, not audible. Guys, other guys are able to hear me?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, yes, we are audible.
So
Yes.
other than, so somebody was not able to hear me, it means you have your mic problem. So please check your mic.
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
And but yes, but your voice is
Hello.
low. My voice is low. I don't think so. I'm using very
Hello.
hello.
Because sir, everything is fine, you'll continue.
Okay. So this role is important, or this course is important for any cloud admin role. Going forward, you can move towards AZ 500 security. So that's a track, fundamental 104, And then going forward, you can do either architect one or security or networks or so on. I will cover this on the last day, exam tips and tricks, how to pass. And from day one onwards, I will start with identity, governance, Azure admin, networking, site-to-site VPNs, load site-to-site VPN, point-to-site, load balancer, storage, virtual machine, web apps, basic container, data protection, and monitoring. So this will be a legal course, and we are using official slides. So everyone are fine, happy, and ready to start day one. Please put a chat message. Yes, fine, happy.
Yes.
Okay. So now, first topic is identity. So Microsoft is covering few things, but I am going to cover everything about identity first, and then we'll see Microsoft slide, what Microsoft is talking about. So first question, you're working on IT, you're working in IT industry, and last 20 years or 10 years, whatever your experience, we are using Active Directory. So basics of AD, everyone knows AD is doing authentication when you log in with your laptop. Yes, everyone knows what is AD.
Active Directory.
Yes, this is your laptop, official laptop. So what do you do in the morning when you log into your office? Username, password,
Password.
and your company name, ibm.com or wipro.com, and AD will authenticate for you. This is your application. You need to access your printer. Printer also check the permission from AD. So everything is done by your AD. So AD is doing authentication, authorization, access for your office on premises. AD is using a database NTDS.dit. AD is having Kerberos authentication protocol. So in last 10 years, Azure AD come into the picture. And this is application 365. So first question comes, why we need Azure AD? So we need Azure AD because Azure AD authenticates cloud application. So he do authentication, authorization, access for cloud apps. If you don't have, if you, yeah, Deep, you raise your hand, please tell me. So, if you don't have any cloud apps, you really no need Azure AD. So that's the first question, why you need Azure AD. Then everyone asks me, what is the difference between AD versus Azure AD? So you see, AD have authentication, authorization, access for on-premises. We have a database. Kerberos is authentication. Azure AD is doing authentication, authorization, access for cloud apps. First difference. Here we have a database. Here we have no database. Because it's a SaaS application. It's running, do the job, but I cannot see them. Where it's running, which server, which database, no idea. Because it's a SaaS database. Second difference. Third, it don't know what is Kerberos. so so it don't know, he don't know Kerberos, he know OAuth, SAML, we called as modern authentication. Just 1 second. So now that's a difference. Now another point is when we configure Azure AD, Azure AD comes into two types. So by default, it comes with standard AD, Azure AD, or free. New name is Entra ID. Last 1 week onwards, it's a new name. The second comes as a premium. By default, is always be free. And later on, we need to convert into the premium. Premium comes in P1 and P2, two categories. P2 means all the features of P1 plus 2 extra features. What are those 2 extra features? Identity protection, and privilege identity management. Cost is $9 per user per month. If you don't need these 2 features, you no need P2. Then you need minimum P1. P1 is $6 per user per month, and it is mandatory in a corporate world. We should have P1. Why? If something is free, why we need $6 per user per month? SLA, Microsoft supports. If it is a standard, if it is a standard Entra ID or Azure AD, it has no support. So the main difference of standard versus P1 premium is here is no support. Here first difference is SLA, Microsoft supports MFA, self reset password. I can change my password without raising tickets, or cloud user can change their own password. Multi-factor authentication. Some reports. SLA stands for service level agreement. Service level agreement means guarantee that I will give you support, uptime, and all those things. Some reports. Then we have conditional access. I will tell you what is conditional access. So these are the some differences we have if you have P1. Out of which this is most important, SLA, MFA, self password reset, reports, how many users we have in cloud, active users, disable users, some reports, conditional access policies, which I will explain you in a few minutes. So that's called the benefits of P1. So what is conditional access? This is your Wipro office, Wipro Bangalore. This is Azure AD, Office 365. What is the new name, Azure AD, guys? I told you 2 minutes back. Yes. What is the new
Enter.
name of Azure AD?
Enter ID.
Yes. So this is a Wipro router. This is Azure router. In day number 7, I will tell you this router full-fledged. At that time, I will ask you the router in Azure, what is the name? Although it's not a topic right now, but at least just try to remember this name. Day number 7, day number 8, we will see. What is the router name in Azure? Azure VNet Gateway. And we done this VPN, site to site. Live, I'll show you how to do site to site. Now, one question to you, to everyone. I have a laptop with internet. I am working in Wipro Bangalore. I am right now in Africa. From Africa, any device, any internet, can I access my application? Yes or no? Yes. Any country, any device, any IP, any internet, can I access my cloud application? Yes or no?
No.
No?
Yes.
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 Yes, you can.
It always yes, because it's in cloud. So as a security, I don't want. By default is yes, but I don't want. What is this color? It's a red or red, right? Okay. So now by default yes, but I don't want yes, I want no. So what is my requirement? My requirement is if my laptop is it with this Wipro internet, Wipro public IP as a condition. So I given a condition Wipro public IP. Another condition is country, say India. Another condition is devices like a laptop, desktop, except minus iOS, Android. So if I am in Office Wipro and then with Wipro Internet, and then I can access, it works. This machine is having work from home and then try to access, it won't work. This I connected with my VPN, Wipro VPN, connected to the Wipro office. So from here, Wipro VPN, and then we access, it works. So end of the day, I given a condition, Wipro private IP or public IP, sorry, not private, Wipro public IP. So if I'm at a Bangalore office, I can connect. If I am from work from home, without VPN, it won't connect. So that condition is only specific location you can access your application. Second, I have not done the location like Wipro, I've done only India. So I'm in Wipro Bangalore, Wipro Chennai, Wipro Trivandrum, Wipro Pune, as well as my work from home. Everywhere it's allowed. But the same laptop is in Africa, not allowed. Third condition I have given devices, laptop, desktop. So I am a Kumar. If I log in with a laptop works, log in with an Android, it won't work because I put a condition laptop, desktops, minus Android, iOS. Make sense, guys? Yes, make sense.
Yes, sir.
Any question? Yes, any
Can you do
question?
like any kind of like a security on the laptop as well? Just say you want to make sure that those PCs who are connecting doesn't have any like has some kind of like a antivirus software installed, something like
See,
that.
it's
So if it is
not
a
only for
virus,
antivirus. For antivirus, we have endpoint policies. That's a different thing, but it's not for antivirus.
okay.
But please understand, if I have not done this indirectly, I can log in with a open internet, right? I go to the airport from open internet also access. That's not good. I go to the Somalia example,
Mhm.
some non-secure location. There also I connected. So I don't want this all kind of open access, right? I want only when user access my corporate network, then only that's my main requirement. It's a one of the condition. Corporate network, then only access, otherwise not allowed. In some cases, like customer is in US, right? US project normally say, okay, only from US allow.
Mhm.
So it means as soon as you are in Europe, not allowed. So it means they want to access only from their continent. So these are some requirement. Based on the requirement, we can implement the policy. So that's not a case. But main thing is, if your condition match, access is allowed. If condition is not match, it is not allowed. Make sense?
It does. Thank you.
So any other question?
Yeah, so those conditions are based only on IP address.
Yes, IP address, public IP is IP address only. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Now, so this
So it's
class,
just a out of topic question, sir. Like, but does Azure use IPv6 or it only support IPv4?
it's about IPv6 also.
Super. Okay. Thanks.
So this class, you will get three things. Number one, number two, everyone say I'm best, right? So normally we should not say like that. But overall, you will get good quality explanation, proper labs I will give you for practice, good documentation I will give you. And good news is same training I do for worldwide customer. So it means you will get everything proper. So now, and just now I finished one class, for corporate customer. Can you see the class name?
Yes.
Intune. So live is, you see, all our US guys, they just finished one lab, class is over. So it's a proper Intune. So what we discussed so far right now, and these are three labs they have done today. So, but that's for corporate people. So now we discussed so far is day one. What is we discussed, guys? What is Azure AD or Entra ID, right? Difference between Azure AD versus AD or on-premises AD. Difference between premium P1 versus P2, right? Premium differences, including MFA and all those things. What is conditional access? And then first lab, how to configure conditional access. And today or tomorrow, I will give you this one Azure training folder access where you do all the labs properly. So I'm into portal.azure, enter ID. Now it's a P2. And we have some users. So I'll go to security. Name, location. So country allow, IP range, give a office location and give the IP. So I have done one IP. I will tell you which IP. So go to the google.com. What is my IP? So I have two internet at my place, 103. I'm going to change my internet, Kumar Airtel. And then I do refresh. Are you able to hear me, guys?
Yes.
So I change my 87.167. So you see, so if anybody comes from these two IPs, it should be allowed. Rest of the machine should not be allowed. So it's a name location, conditional access, policies, policy one user, say Alex. So we can add all the users or all AD users or all admin users, you mean to say, who is having admin privileges. I'm not doing all users. I'm doing only one user, Alex. All cloud apps, you can do selected apps, say Intune, Office 365, Azure, of all those things one by one. So all the apps, what is the condition? User risk, sign-in risk, device, location. So I'll do a location first. any location minus office. So any location minus office, which we have two IPs, it should be blocked. So you see the condition, guys. Any location over internet minus Wipro office, rest everything is blocked. So it means if I'm coming from Wipro, it's allowed, rest of the things should be blocked and policy should be turned on. So now, if I take another browser and try to log in with Alex, okay. I'll change the Alex password. Hmm. I'll try to reset once again. So now I am successfully able to log in. Why I am able to log in? Because my IP is still same. Yes or no, guys? 171, 76, right?
Right.
So I'll do a sign out. And try to change my internet from Kumar Airtel to D104 or any other network hotspot, mobile hotspot or something. Now you refresh. It's now 103. And then we'll try to log in. It is successfully signed in, but does not meet the criteria. It's not a password issue. Make sense?
Right.
So that's called how you implement conditional access, country allow, all those things. Now, now that's a difference. That's now next is self password research MFA. If I go to this enter ID, and if it is a P2, there is an option password reset. Only I need to say all and yes, I'm not doing. Because ask me MFA for all the things. So every time I'll not use my phone number, but how to enable it. And if you forget the password, as soon as you type your identity, forget password, SMS comes to you based on the authentication method, email, mobile phone, office phone number, security questions. So it will ask a reset for one more thing, which I forget, the premium benefit is company branding. Company branding means as you log in, you will see the company logo, welcome message, all those things. So this is I explain you MFA. I'll show you right now. Self password reset, conditional access done, then company branding, company logo. So now first MFA. So if I go to users, you can go to all users, and there's an option per user MFA. So per user MFA means select LXW, enable the MFA, or select all, enable MFA. So if you don't want that new user come into this company every time I need to log in here and enable this manually, you don't want. So then you need to enable one conditional access policy. Again, go to the security, go to the conditional access. This time a new policy, policy number 2. MFA mandatory. So all users or selected user, say Alex. What is the condition? No condition, no location, nothing as of now. target all the apps. So any app Alex try to connect, condition is MFA mandatory. Under grant access, you will see MFA mandatory. Can you see, guys?
Yes, fine.
And other conditions are device can be compliant, hybrid. So I'll say this one, policy off. I'm not doing on, but I just show you how to enable MFA for. So anytime this user connect any application, MFA mandatory. Then we have company branding. So when you access this background, you need company logo, everything. So it's a part of your company branding. This option you will not see at all if it is not P2, sorry, P1. Come on. Internet is there, but sometimes page is taking time. Okay, so now edit. And now you see, remove Rhino, browse. So I have OneDrive, this folder access I will give you. I have a company logo and our best friend Rhino. So I put it everywhere Rhino. And in sign in, I have done Rhino and welcome message, welcome wow. Sorry, welcome message, sign in page. Hint I have not given, no hint. So welcome to cloud services. Welcome to Wipro Cloud Services. So after 5 minutes, when I try to log in, user will get welcome message. So after 10 minutes, you will see the welcome message, not immediately. So cell password reset, company branding, MFA. So looks good. Any question, guys, for me so far? Yes, any question for me?
No.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, please repeat how you allow the IP address once again
Yeah.
to access.
So when you do the lab practice,
Mm,
so
Yes, yes.
you will get proper lab step from my end, as well as recording also. So this is I've done into security,
Mm-hmm.
then go to name location,
Okay.
and I add country or IP range, give a name, Wipro,
IP.
and then IP range. And this IP is nothing. Just type on Google what is my IP. So your public IP I have given. So this way I add it. And then I put a conditional access policies. So what is the policy?
Site VPN.
Policy 1. What is the policy? Name.
Bro,
Guys,
what's even select user and group?
who was there? Who is laughing?
He's a different guy. I said to him, don't laugh.
Okay.
He's talking to each other.
Okay. So all users, sorry, instead of all users, I done only Alex. You see, specific user, all cloud apps. And then I given a condition. What is the condition? Devices. Please try to understand. Any location exclude Wipro is deny. Any location minus Wipro deny. It means Wipro is allowed, rest of the location is allowed. Sorry, Wipro is allowed, rest of the location is deny. Because I done a formula, right? All location in the world minus Wipro. Exclude. Right? Yes, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Okay. Thank you.
And you will get this networking. Okay. AZ 700 like this. You will get one lab folder where you will get the lab details of each day. What lab we have done. You see, this is a class I have done recently for networking. So which lab you need to do, name. Based on the day wise, I'll give you all the labs here. You see, day one. So same way, I'll make a one folder. So two folders are already created. AZ500 security, AZ700. So I'll make another folder called AZ104. Okay. So in this, like AZ500, three folders, day wise, lab details, and schedule. Same folder in AZ104. So schedule. So say example today is 12/11, right? 12/11 means 11 December. So first day, Monday, we done 1 hour, 2 hours, so that you should aware what's going on, from our end. Everything is here. That's called schedule. Lab details for AZ104. So what is the first lab for today? Day one. So day one in AZ500, there's a no lab on day one. But in our case, day one, we have a first lab. Yes, what is the first lab?
Conditional access. Huh?
No access. And day wise, whatever I have covered so far, you will get it. So that if you miss the day, at least you get it, what we have done in day one. So you'll get everything proper. And I'll give you this master folder access to you guys. Okay, now come to the next point. Lab number 2. enable MFA, company branding, and how to enable self password reset. Correct? So that user can change the password in cloud directly. Yes, guys? Good?
Yes.
So these are the two labs. And same way, I'll create a folder, labs. And in this lab, if you go to the day one, you will get two labs. So that you can practice anytime. So you see now, this is my lab. So management wants Azure portal should be accessible only from your corporate public IP to a specific users. So you go to the google.com, what is my IP? Do it from your lab VM or your laptop. And then you add the conditional access policies. What is the end results? Try to access from your mobile hotspot internet, some different internet, it should be blocked. Try to access from your laptop IP, it should be allowed. So you don't have second internet, so make a mobile hotspot and then try. Yes, guys, any question? And end result, you will get this master folder access for you. Okay, let's see what Microsoft is saying now. So Microsoft is saying why you need Azure AD. We discussed we need Azure AD because to authenticate cloud applications, you need Azure AD. It understands OAuth, SAML, AD understand Kerberos. You can unmute yourself and ask any question. Class timing will be same, you know. So every day we will do, first day will be little less, but tomorrow (11 or 11:30), depend upon how you feel comfortable.
Okay. Yes, fine, sir. No problem.
Every day 2 hours. Indian time. If you convert in EST, if anybody join from US?
Yes.
Okay. For you, most probably 9, 9:30, 10:30. I think 11, right? Or 10:30 nearby. So Eastern time zone, if you say 9 8:30 p.m. IST to EST, it's somewhere in 11 a.m. EST, ET time. So can we schedule from 8:30? So you can talk to the backend team. But if you ask me, yes, we can do that, or I can also do that. But at least for this, but at least not till Friday. Till Thursday, I am in session Friday. So next week, Monday onwards, next week,
9
Monday
to
onwards, 1 minute. If next week, Monday onwards, you want to change from 11:30 to, sorry, 8:30 to 10:30, I'm okay with that.
yeah,
So,
that's okay.
so based on majority, how they agree. But at least for this week, will go 9:30 to 10:30. Sorry, 11. Okay.
8:30 to
Okay,
10:30,
fine.
sir. Okay.
So,
See, I'm not saying anything. So, but if everyone are agree or fine, yes, 8:30 to 10:30 will do from next Monday. But right now, this week, at least, we'll continue.
so I have
Okay.
an
Yes.
8:30 to 10:30. Okay, sir. Because 11:30 is too late.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Edward, your question.
so, sir, exam point of
Yes,
view, this topic is important or this
Which
is
one?
for
right. Kumar, the question is, can you create a WhatsApp group for us? I think
So,
the
Yes.
CCN, we had a WhatsApp group where we used to remind each other
Hi
classes
guys, my name is Gaurav and I'm
and
from networking. So what I'll do tomorrow, I'll just create a one WhatsApp group so that we can communicate each other's in the groups. Don't worry, I'll do
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
okay,
That
okay,
it
all
will be
right.
good.
Yeah.
Thank you. I
first
appreciate.
is done by your backend team. No need to worry. Any other question?
Not yet. Thanks.
So maximum people are saying 8:30 to 10:30. Okay, we'll see next week onwards.
Yes, yes. Please, please.
But 1 week you manage. If you
Okay,
don't
sir.
want,
Okay, okay.
if you don't want till 11 o'clock, no problem. 1 day, or sorry, 1 week we'll do 9:30 to 11 only, just for half an hour you manage, and 1 week onwards we'll see it to 8:30. Okay, so
So,
Yes.
yes, any
so
other
is
question?
it every day class?
Monday to Saturday. Sorry, Monday to Friday. Yes,
Every day?
every day.
So the 8:30 to 10:30 in your place will be at what time in America?
See, that's what I said. As of now, my backend team said this week till Monday to Friday will be 9:30 p.m. to 11 o'clock every day except today. Today is the first day. So this will be for this week. So if you are okay, Friday we will discuss. So right now, no confusion. We will
Okay,
do
so
in time.
the 9:30 p.m. is it Eastern time?
No, this is my time. Your Eastern time
Okay.
will be around 11 a.m.
Oh, okay. Okay.
If it is next week, we change 8:30 by chance, then in your case, your time will be 10 a.m. Eastern time.
Okay.
Okay, will be a very perfect time for you. No need to worry.
So how many weeks will the class be?
How many?
How many weeks?
See, I will cover full-fledged AZ104 with advanced everything. So I have no clue how many hours. As per Microsoft, when trainer is doing, participants are doing, Microsoft said 32 hours. But in this case, I am doing everything. You guys are doing practice offline, Monday, Tuesday, on the weekdays, anytime. So definitely participant practice time will be little reduced. So we'll see. But end of the day, I will cover everything to you. And whatever I'm covering, I'll give it details to you. Next day, you need to go to your home, take Azure login, and do the practice. So if you say that way, approximate, then if you say half, 16 plus 8 hours more, I think I need 24 hours. I feel maybe a little bit more also. We'll see. But I'll not commit anything because time is not a problem for me. Until unless I feel it's really important, I'm covering. Example, in this slide, it's official. He's not talking about Azure AD Connect scenarios, but I will cover all the scenarios. So when I feel it is really important, I'll not see any time. I will cover everything. Don't worry about that.
All
Okay.
right, sir. Thank you.
And you should be flexible, right? And you should not say, please come finish 104 in 10 hours. which is not possible. So, okay. Any other question? Yes, any other question, guys?
So, sir, exam point of view.
Exam point of view, I will cover exam tips and tricks. To worldwide customer, I will give you.
Today's topic is important or is only the basic configuration?
So today is a basic topic we covered, or it's a proper topic?
Yep.
No, I'm asking. Today was the basic topic, or it's a actual topic?
This oh yeah, today's my first step. That's why I'm asking.
No, I agree. I'll answer your point. But my question is, as per your knowledge, whatever I explained today, right now, conditional access, Azure AD, premium. So what do you feel? It's a normal topic or it's a proper topic?
I think it's important security point of view.
Okay. So I'll answer your points. 5 questions comes in the exam, whatever I covered today.
Okay.
So it means whatever I'm explaining, everything is most important. Number one. Second, reason is it's a 104, it's a PowerPoint, it's a Microsoft slide. I cannot even edit a single word. You see, it's not my slides, it's a Microsoft slides.
Yep.
It's a Microsoft official course slide. So definitely it's nothing beyond that. So
Okay.
yes, everything is important.
Yep. Yeah. Okay, sir.
So,
Thank you.
so okay, so now I feel we will finish this class here. I'll be here another 10 minutes to answer your points. And tomorrow onwards, we'll do 9:30 to 11 as usual. Today, a little bit less, just because of one day. You should be used to it.